Hello everyone and welcome to another segment of FF Insider. I'm Sam and here we're going to be talking a little bit about our experience working with the local talent here in Hanford. I have Zach Green. Zach, thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Can you give us a little bit of an introduction of what you do?
Yeah, my company is called Zach Green Films. We're based out of Visalia, which is just a short drive from Hanford. And what we do is cinematography, we do filming. A lot of times what we end up doing is documentary, but it's kind of got that cinematography feel to it. So we try to make the shots as clean and as cool looking as possible. And so our business is community-based, it's Visalia-based. We do work up and down California, but most of it's local. So out here, we've been hired to come and capture some of the processes as Verde Future keeps moving forward.
I know it's really important for us to highlight and also capture everything that happens here at the factory. Transparency is really important to us. How is it being able to work with a new technology company in Hanford?
It's been cool. It was kind of unexpected. You know, we're here in the Central Valley and there's not a ton of high-tech companies here, mostly in Silicon Valley, but it's nice to have somebody investing locally here like that, and then to be able to work with you guys and to be like the go-to local film crew that needs to capture when another pad is being poured or another important milestone is happening. It's pretty cool. I'm looking forward to seeing this place just continue to grow, and there's going to be more people here. I know more employees coming in and engineers, and just to kind of like continue to catalog that progress for you guys. That's the cool part.
Have you seen our FF91?
Yeah, actually I've had a chance to drive in one of them and film while I was doing it. It was really fast.
What was your favorite part, the speed?
The speed was my favorite part, yeah, but it was hard to hold my camera steady as because they were doing the acceleration part in the parking lot out there. And yeah, that part was cool. I was just like waiting around, was like seeing if anybody's gonna give the videographer a chance to get in the car, and finally they were like, yeah, we want to film this. I was like, thank you.
Cool.
Cool.
What has the experience been like being able to shoot local again? Because I know you've kind of traveled the world a little bit with your film experience. So what's it like to be back here and capturing this content?
Yeah, I think it's really cool. I mean, I'm excited that we're the company that was chosen, to kind of do some of this work locally, because it's an exciting project locally. People who are from Hanford and from Visalia are interested in this project, and they think it's pretty cool that high-tech company is here. And so, yeah, for me, it's nice to be part of an exciting project.
Well, I know that the public is really excited to continue to see these manufacturing updates, so we're looking forward to continue to work with your team.
All right, yeah, me too, definitely. So yeah, any of that footage that you see on there that's construction-based, it's possible we filmed it. These guys might have filmed it too, but it's possible we filmed it.
Well, we're all working together, sharing footage. That's what's important. Well, thank you so much, Zach, for joining us today. I really appreciate it. And thank you all so much for watching this segment of FF Insider. If you haven't already, make sure you download the FF Intelligent app, available on iOS and Android. There you can learn more about FF and even reserve your own FF91 Futurist. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and we'll catch you next week on FF Insider.